we know we can play better and obviously want a better result. We've got another game in a few days as well to put on a better showing, but yeah, listen, it's a work in progress.
We got some chances in the first half. What do you think caused that? I mean, the team wasn't, players weren't playing with each other, maybe?
Yeah, listen, like I said, it's a work in progress. You know, we've had a few days training all together. Like I said, you know, a lot of new boys coming in, so you know, being able to gel and that is hard. You know, so but listen, you know, the time is on a lot of these boys' side as well. So I expect a lot of big things from these young guys in the future.
Speaking of time, how about you now? How long are you gonna do this now?
Yeah, listen, we'll see. Obviously, you can't play forever, so but yeah, look, I'll just take it game by game and yeah, we'll see what the future holds.
Come on, all the best here.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Adrian MARRIAPPA, perpetual leader of this Reggae Boys squad from I was a boy, you know, till I'm an adult now. First of all, how does it feel to be back on home soil leading out the Reggae Boys again? It's not unfamiliar to you, but how does it feel to be doing this once more?
Yeah, listen, it's always an honour and a privilege to wear the armband and lead the boys out, but you know, whether I've got the armband or not, just to be involved and to play is always an honour for myself. So you know, I tried to put on the best showing I can and help the boys. Like I said, today wasn't our best performance, you know, and obviously we want a better result, but a lot of young guys coming into the side, and you know, there's a lot of work to do. It's a work in progress, but I think, you know, the future is very bright for Jamaica.
Yeah, an unfortunate result today. What do you think attributed to this loss the most today?
Yeah, just listen, we just didn't get it right. Obviously, you know, in both boxes. You know, it's fine details, but you know, I thought, you know, we got a lot of young, you know, exciting talent going forward, and it's just about them gelling and getting it right and understanding what the coach wants from them as well. And you know, like I said, there's a lot to improve on, but you know, there's a big future for them.
Speaking about young talent, you know, there are like 5 wonder kids all playing their trade in England. One about to go to England in a few months. Speak about the Lambiskas and Hutchinsons, the Jean Richards and Spat, all of their performances today. How do you feel about Jamaica's youth?
Like I said, the future is very bright. All very, you know, young, talented players, you know, with a great work ethic and great attitudes as well. So I'm very hopeful for them for the future to have, you know, big club careers and, you know, and a massive international career as well, and really, you know, push us forward to you know, doing well in the Gold Cups and making the World Cup as well.
Your second game playing with Coach Hargrimson. What do you think about his system and how he coaches and how he manages the team? And what do you think about him going forward as the coach of the Reggae Boys?
Yeah, look, you know, it's a system I've played many times in my career as well, and you know, he goes into great detail of what he wants, and you know, like I said before, it's about all the players understanding exactly what is expected and what he wants, because he's been very successful at the international level, so he knows what he's doing. And yeah, like I said, it's a work in progress. Like I said, a lot of these young boys, so yeah, it's just about gelling and getting it right.
And lastly, obviously a tough loss, but these 2 games against Trinidad, though important to get wins, is not as important as the upcoming game in the Estadio Azteca versus Mexico to qualify for the Nations League semi-finals and finals. What do you think you can most take from these games into that Mexico game?
Yeah, look, I'm sure that obviously the squads are going to be very different anyway, but you know, this is a great opportunity for a lot of the boys to shine and really stake a claim to be making the squads for those games. But you know, there's no less importance on these games because they're all big games, and you know, this is our local rivalry as well, so we want to do well. So this loss will hurt us, but we've got another game to put it right.
And lastly, your importance in the team, you know, as a glue, as a player that will serve as, you know, an avatar in a sense going forward into the next World Cup. What do you think your role is in this team right now, considering that you are not one of the oldest player representing Jamaica right now?
Yeah, I'm the oldest. So, but listen, obviously, you know, when I'm playing, I'm still just trying to do the right things on the pitch, helping the young boys as well where I can, and you know, but I've always thought that was my role anyway. So, you know, unless asked to do something else by the coach or by anyone else, you know, I'll always, you know, take those things and try and do my best at them.
All right, good game again, Mas.
Okay, thank you.